Alright y'all, welcome to Not So Simple Garage. If you like this channel or any of the content, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notifications every time I post a video and you can get every update on this channel. I would really appreciate it. Leave a like if you like the video and comment anything you'd like. So thanks for watching and let's get to the video. I picked this wing up for $20 and it's a full carbon fiber piece. It is a little rough around the edges, like the bottom side of the carbon fiber, great condition. They painted the ends of it blue. And basically what I'm gonna have to do, keep in mind this is a $20 part, so a little bit of work, no big deal. So I'm gonna take all this blue off. I'm gonna scuff up this line here to where it goes to nice shiny carbon fiber, but basically I'm going to get it sanded and then we're going to go ahead and hit it with some clear coat. It's going to be a full carbon fiber piece to match the hood, and then we're just going to go ahead and get it thrown on the car, and I'll show you guys how I go about doing that. So hope you enjoy the video and stick around and see how it turns out. Okay, so I'm not quite done, but I got all the blue off, and it kind of sucks because there's not carbon fiber under here like this, and this is not a wrap, at least from what I can tell, but not the end of the world. I gotta get a new piece of sandpaper. I have to get the rest of this blue off here, kind of get in through this corner here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna paint these caps black. And so let me go ahead and get this finished sanding, get this side done, and then I'll scuff the whole thing, get it ready for paint. I'll tape off the middle portion, paint the ends black, let that dry, and then use clear coat on the whole thing, get this carbon fiber nice and shiny again, and it should be done. Should be ready to install in the car pretty quick. So here we go. Okay, so we've got this basically fully sanded up now. Yep, so we're gonna get her wiped down clean, and then we're gonna tape it up, lay some black spray paint there, and then clear coat the rest of it. Alright, got some wax and grease remover. Alright, so let's go get the tape. I'm gonna wipe this table down, and then we'll bring it back out here and tape it up. Alright y'all, so we got the wing all wrapped up. We're going to hit the ends with some primer, let it dry, then we're going to hit it with some black spray paint. Once that's all dry, then we're going to take this wrap off and we're going to redo the whole thing in clear coat. So let's go ahead and get to it. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go, we're going to let that sit for a little bit and then wait till it's nice and dry. Then we're going to hit it with black spray paint, let that dry, hit it with clear coat, take all the wrap off, hit it all with clear coat. Should be ready to go in a couple hours.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we got our wing. Paint is dry to the touch. So now we can hit it with clear coat, so let's unwrap it. Got our clear coat right here. The bottom of the wing, which no one's ever really going to see, it's already clear coated. It looks good, so I'm just going to do the top and the sides and probably do 2 or 3 coats of clear coat. And once that's all dry and done, we can go install it on the car. Let's see, I've got this painted and clear coated. I'm letting it dry up right now. And then I'm gonna take it outside, give it one more coat of clear coat. I mean, it's looking great. I'm so excited. Okay, now very carefully take it back inside to dry. Alright y'all, the camera died. I'm so sorry about that. I don't know how much you saw yet. But we got the wing installed. We got the other wing installed. We got the taillights on. Like, the rear end of this car looks so much different right now. Like, look at this. Oh yeah, just sexy as hell. I love those top wings. And it's sick because it's carbon fiber up here, black to match the trim. We got carbon fiber here. So now I just need carbon fiber on the roof, maybe the trunk, and yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you get updates to every future video that I post. If you did, I would really appreciate it. It would mean the world to me. Like the video if you liked it. Comment what your favorite part was and what I should do next. So with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one.